Hi there, how can I support you today? I'm one of the animated IT guys over at Logical Admin. Have you ever wondered, what is AI and how does it work? With artificial intelligence popping up in everything from smart speakers to self driving cars, it's no surprise that everyone's curious. Today we're going to break it down, nice and simple. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that tries to make machines think and act like humans, or sometimes even smarter than humans. It's like teaching a computer how to learn, solve problems, and make decisions, just like you would. But how does it work? AI learns using a process called machine learning. Picture this. You give a computer a bunch of examples, like showing it thousands of pictures of cats. Over time, it starts recognizing patterns. So next time it sees a cat, it knows, hey, that's a cat. Cool, right? The AI process has three main steps. First, it takes in data. That's the input. Second, it processes this data using algorithms. Think of algorithms as the recipe or instructions it follows. Finally, it gives you an output, like a recommendation on your favorite streaming app or a chatbot answering your questions. Now, there are different types of AI. Some are narrow AI, designed for specific tasks like recognizing speech or playing chess. Others, like general AI, are hypothetical and would work more like a human brain, capable of doing everything. AI isn't just about fun and games, it's making a big impact. Doctors use AI to detect diseases, artists use it to create music, and scientists use it to make discoveries faster than ever before. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. AI raises important questions about privacy, fairness, and ethics. That's why scientists and developers are working hard to make AI safe and reliable. So, AI isn't just technology, it's a tool that can help us in amazing ways. And the more we learn about it, the better we can use it to make our lives smarter, easier, and more creative. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of AI. Stay curious, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one creating the next groundbreaking AI technology. Bye for now.